A very happy new year, everyone. And this is my first video of 2022, and I've come up with this minimal makeup. After this video, I'm going on a lunch date with my husband, and there is also a dinner date with my family today. And I think by the evening, I'll do some changes to this look for the dinner date and keep watching it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And hi, my name is Pooja Vishwakarma. Minimal makeup is just as it sounds, using only what you need to enhance your features. There is no heavy foundations or heavy concealers here. You don't need to have full face makeup. Instead, what you need here is a strong skincare routine. By following some tips and tricks, you can build your minimal makeup set and save money and time. So let's begin the steps. Although we are talking makeup here, but prioritizing your skincare is very important for any makeup look. Having fresh and hydrated skin prevents makeup from looking unnatural. Therefore, I'm using my moisturizer from Embryolus. It contains that multi-purpose formula which nourishes, hydrates and protects the skin. It is for all skin types and dry skin people. You have your best friend over here. You can use this product and it will be a go-to for you. After that, what matters most is always using a sunscreen. Well, SPF is not optional. So the next is primer. Primer is an essential step for full face makeup. It is not really important though unless you have an oily skin, but it will help the rest of your makeup go on more smoothly and wear more evenly throughout the day. I use a water-based primer. It's incredibly hydrating, it's lightweight, will feel barely there, but make a major difference on your skin. And the primer which I use is from K2P. It's their aqua based water based primer. You can directly move to wearing foundations, but I like to conceal before foundations as I have some blemishes and dark circles, so I like to cover it in a lightweight. Stick to cream and liquid products, as cream and liquid products it will enhance your natural features a bit better than most of the powder products, and it is more easier to use. Therefore I'm using the concealer from NYX. It is in the shade Skin Tone. So what I like to do is dip my ring finger, and then go on to my dark circles in this way. Then I have a mark over here. It's my childhood mark. So I like to cover that a bit. I don't have that huge dark circle, but I like to cover because of this mark over here. Then marks on the side of my mouth, my upper lips. Next is foundation. This part is completely optional. It's all about your personal preference. But I like to use foundation for that extra coverage. But you want to option for something very light, then you can go for BB cream, CC cream, or a tinted moisturizer. For the foundation, I use Rimmel Lasting Matte. It's a mouse foundation. So the next I'm gonna apply are for my eyebrows. So for the eyebrows, I prefer brow enhancers. It is from Etude House Drawing Eyebrow. It is in gray brown shade. I prefer brow enhancers over pomades and powders because I like that natural effect which I feel personally feel that I get from enhancers. Next, I like to curl my lashes before applying mascara as it's my personal favorite. So for the mascara, I'm using Daily Life Forever 52. I love this mascara. I've been liking this mascara recently. Minimalist doesn't necessarily mean completely natural. If you want to go with some matte, some nudes, or some lip gloss or lip balms, you can go for it. What I do usually is most of the time actually I use Vaseline. I don't prefer lip balms, uh, the tinted lip balms which you see influencers using. I don't know. I don't get that. What do you call? Now, those are not my personal preferences. I have some reasons for that. I'll tell you some other time. And then apply my or any nude lipsticks or pinks. I go for nudes and pinks whenever I'm going out. So what I like to do is I'm using this lipstick from My Glam. It's their lit satin matte lipstick. So what I do is I take the shade from the side of it and then so this is the final look of my minimalist makeup. So always do remember, minimalist makeup look allows you to walk with your own natural features and enhances the beauty that you already have. So this is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Make sure you hit a like, subscribe, share, comment below what you want me to see next, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.